For Center 3, you're going to do a mini research project. And when I say mini, your goal is to get all of your work done today because I really don't want this to be a homework assignment. And you're going to be researching your name. So you're obviously already watching the screencast. So right now you're going to go to Google Classroom and open, and you'll see, you might have to scroll down a little bit, make sure that you're on the right center. You're going to be working on Center 3, the My Name presentation. And it will bring up a presentation that looks like this. On the first slide, you have some different links, and I would suggest checking a couple of those out first and testing them with your name to see which one gives you the most information. And then you'll see my example slide. You can delete that if you want, or kind of just look at it as a reference point, but this is where you're going to keep your information. You may find that you need to smallerize your text a little bit to get it to fit. If you need to add another slide, you can do that as well. And you can just copy and paste your information into these different boxes. You can see that that's what I did as well. And I like for you to do that so that I know what the text says, so that you make sure that when you are presenting, you're rephrasing it in a different way. And after you have all of your information done, you're going to prepare a note card, and there are some note cards at your center on the blackboard in a little basket. Take a couple note cards, make sure you put your name first and last on your note card, and don't lose it because you're going to need it when we present in class. You're not going to have a presentation on the projector this time. So if you would like some type of visual and you want to, you can make some type of artistic representation of your name on a piece of computer paper. If you prefer to do it digitally, you can do that however you want to. But that is not a requirement. These are the things I'll be grading you on. So once you have your note card done, you might want to take a little bit of time to practice. You could always do a Flipgrid and record yourself and look at how you're doing with your eye contact. As we know, the more you practice, the more comfortable you're going to feel when you present. And if you need to, there are a couple examples here. Make sure you're not writing incomplete sentences. These are just the ideas you want to present, but that when you talk, you're going to obviously add more information and description. Okay? If you should finish, you always can work on your Middle Ages novel or any other center work that you have.